back to another video. Today we're looking at question 1823. Find the winner of the circular game. The way we'll be solving this problem is by creating a linked list, a circle, and making it circular, and thereby basically iterating through this process again and again till we have only one node left and return that value. We could have also solved it mathematically, but sometimes in the interview you can't really come up with the mathematical formula in the interview itself. So that's the reason why I decided to go with this solution. So let's get started. So to be able to create a linked list that is circular, we need to create the first node. So let's call it head. And since every single list starts with 1 here, we'll give it the value 1. And then since we don't want to lose a track of the head, we will copy over that node to another like pointer that just points towards it, and we'll call it current so we can keep touching current without losing our track of the head. And we need to create the circular linked list, right? So how do we do that? We basically iterate through all of the numbers. We start with 2 actually, since we have already added 1 here. Go all the way up till n, keep iterating it till we reach n. So it'd be list node. Actually, it could just be current.next would be equal to new list node of value I, and then you just point current to be current is equal to current.next, right? And this will basically create a normal linked list ranging from values 1 to n. And to make it circular, all you need to do is the very last node, current.next, would be equal to head. You need to point it towards head, right? The next part is basically iterating through the circular linked list till we have only 1 node. So we have some sort of a looping condition, right? But how do we get the number of nodes in the linked list? We can't really like get a linked list.size, right? Like we can't necessarily do that. So what we do is, since we already know the number of nodes, every time we remove it, we'll decrement the number of nodes that we have. And as soon as we know that there's only 1 node, we'll take a look at the current node and return the value. So while nodes is greater than 1, what we need to do is, for int I equals 1, I less than k. And the reason why we have less than k instead of equal to k is because you need to eliminate the kth node. So we basically stop 1 node previously to that and point the next value to be the node that comes right after. So that's the reason why we do 1 less than k and increment I again. So in this case, you just do current equals current dot next. And once that's done, current dot next equal to current dot next. So basically what we're doing is that we're stopped right here. We stop 1 node before the node that has to be removed, and in the final step, we basically point the previous node to the node that comes after the node that has to get eliminated. And once we have eliminated the number of nodes, when I say eliminated, it basically means that it's not necessarily being deleted. You're just changing the pointer of the previous node to point to the node right after. And since we are quote unquote removing it from the linked list, the number of nodes decreases by 1. So you reduce the number of nodes by 1. And in the end, this while loop will exist when there's only 1 node, and you would just return current.value since there's only 1 node left. Okay, I think that's all we need. Let's try compiling this. The first few test cases are okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's talk about the space and the time complexity of the entire solution. The time complexity of the entire solution is n multiplied by k, and the reason why is because we would have to go through all of the n nodes, basically n minus 1 nodes, and we have to go through it k times. So that's the reason why you have n multiplied by k, and the time complexity is of n, since we are using additional space to store the nodes. Awesome. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I would really appreciate that. It keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you folks soon. Peace.